Union vlog. Bro, we're back. We're back. It's another day in the life, you feel me? Another day in the life, vlog. We at the school, you feel me? Jasper, Woods, finna pull up, finna get some O-line work. I forgot my helmet though, because I'm kind of stupid. But it's all good, you feel me? Prepare daily to be a champion, no cap. Every day. Gotta wake up and be a shark, you feel me? Every day. But we finna get this work, man. I don't know if none of the guys is here yet. It's a little O-line work. Little O-line work. You feel me? How y'all feeling today? It's a beautiful day, man. It's a beautiful day, man. It's a beautiful day, no cap. The gardener's just looking at me right now because I'm talking to a camera, but it's all good, y'all. It's all good. It's all good. Yeah, I don't know if the guys is here yet, but hey, finna get this work in, even though I forgot my helmet. So whatever. Hope y'all day going good. My day pretty good so far, you feel me? Finna get this work in. Gotta be a shark. I'll see y'all in a minute. Pull up in the 6-skinny sock. Look at our field, bro. Look at our field, y'all. Look at the stadium, bro. Bro, we're blessed. We're blessed. Redondo Union, Legacy, we're blessed. Come on now. How was we supposed to start at 2 o'clock? It's 1:57, and they ain't even here. I'm not even the one that organized this, bro. I'm not even the one that organized this, bro. But I'm over here. I'm getting a sled. I'll bring the sled all the way over there. I'll see y'all. It's 2 o'clock. It's 2 o'clock. Like, what are we doing? What are we doing? Bro, go hit the group chat talk about field workout at 2. It's 2. Where are we at? Like, what are we doing, bro?
My helmet.
How did you almost break your helmet?
Because I took this piece off and I was gonna attach the chin strap to this, but then I couldn't.
Hey, you're just that lazy you couldn't carry your helmet?
I was on bike.
Bro, they have those. This is an XXL.
You got the digs?
Yes, bro.
Every time I go there,
Bro, I'm telling you, like, they have good selection. Like,
instead. I had that for breakfast. My mom's eating me. My mom went to McDonald's.
every move I make, I'm in the news with it. Come on, Jasper. They'd be like, you did it. Yeah. I got you. I got you. Ready? Now let's go. Okay. I know someone has $70 to buy you some gloves. I put that knee brace back on. Put it back on. Yeah, you can't. Anyway, we finished, right? Yeah, catching punts. He's not returning any punts this year. Anyway, we finished that run. Now we're gonna go to the path. Path takes like 20 minutes. Then we're gonna go down to the beach. And get in the water for some good recovery on a good shiny sunshine day at Redondo Union High School. Boom. Alright, vlog. So we finished this little O-line stuff. We're gonna go to McDonald's into the beach. Yeah, we're pretty big body over here. Of course. I'm gonna get some water, bro. We're going to the beach. You're what?
I didn't like this walk. I'm gonna have to leave my shirt. Imagine the guy who like pick up his sweatpants real quick.
They didn't let their GDs in the dog. They didn't let their GDs in the dog. GD, we eating. We finna hit the launch pad. Alright, we hit the launch pad, chat. What the? We hit the launch pad. We at the beach now. Yeah. We're done for the day. Dude, Jasper didn't want to get in the water at all. It's his biggest fear, he says.
I'm just putting that out there. I'm putting that out there.
Putting that out there. But hey, he went further than he usually did, so clap it up for him. Nice. Me and Woods got in the water though. It was good. My forehead is booming, but it's cool.
I need to unequip that shit.
Bitch, I need to unequip my forehead. Alright. It's a beautiful day though, man. It's a beautiful day. Just remember God loves you, man. Just remember, man, on this big giant earth, the Lord thought he needed you, you know? The Lord knew that people need you. You feel me? You might go through a hard time in life, or things might not be going your way, but remember, there's still people that you need to love out there, you know? Like, people need you. You feel me? People need you. And you might not think that, but people do really need you, man. People need you. God has a purpose for you. Remember that. Wake up. And that MAKOMENTALITly. Make the choices you need to make. Love everybody, man. The world is beautiful, man. You gotta love everybody. Gotta show love. But then God loved us. I love y'all, man. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video, man. Anyway, I'll see y'all next time.